Hey, I'm Mark with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. Just kidding. But instead, join us in Ontario's Algonquin Park where we hike in the rain, cross streams, eat good food, and have a grand adventure. Amazing. Keep watching. Make sure you subscribe. Today, we start our hike into Algonquin Park, all the way to Maggie Lake, and back. It begins. Nice little update. We're at kilometer 5, I think. We got 5 more to go, so we're kind of halfway there. There's a lake down there. We might grab some water, but there's been a few water spots and he's been pretty good. He been drinking, so Maple Leaf Lake. We're about to head through Maple Leaf Lake. That's our second stop, which will be for tomorrow. We're going to be spending the night there, but our first stop is going to be on Maggie Lake, which is further down. So, and he almost ate a chipmunk. Maple Leaf Lake is down there, and yeah, we got a little bit more to go. This is Maggie Lake, and we're probably right there, Maple Leaf Lake or something. Where is it? Oh wait, no, I lied. We're right here. Maple Leaf Lake. So we got a few more kilometers. And you take that side trail to go to your campsites. But we will not. We're moving forward. Walking through some pretty ferns. Well, we made it to Hare Lake. We gotta get to our site before thunderstorms, so trying to get there quick. It started pouring. We're soaked, but he's got the rain jacket on, I've got the rain jacket on, and we are at Little Hardy Lake. We're almost at our site. I'm so tired. Ugh. If you have a dog, just be mindful that there's a dam crossing. I don't really know how we're gonna tackle this, but we're gonna try. Okay, well, it was only easy. It was only easy because it was shallow. You really just walked in there. But yeah, we're almost there. Probably less than a kilometer. You don't understand how happy I am. We finally made it to our freaking campsite. I'm gonna tie this guy up. I'm gonna grab some water, but let's take a look at the lake first. I gotta put my bag down. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this lake is. Wow. It's so quiet too. Amazing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Come on, Casper. Where should we set? Probably set site here or something. Okay, so today I have some rice and tortillas. Probably have a snack later. He already ate. He had his kibble and some chicken thing. And now he's having his little treat, which is a toothbrush. Yeah, I also gave him a little bit of some rawhide, but we're probably gonna have that tomorrow as well. So now it started to rain. The dog is inside, just chilling. I'm out here. I got everything ready to get hung up. I'm eating still, but I'm not hungry. I haven't ate all day, but I'm not hungry. So I don't know. I might just pack up, read, watch the show or something. And I have all his stuff ready, so in case he needs to pee, he'll be ready to go. And I just gotta hang up my stuff and somehow get rid of this food. I don't know, I'm like super full. We'll see. We're in the tent now. The sun's about to set. I packed everything away, so we're all really ready for bed. And he's ready for bed too. It's really hot, so I'm like in my underwear. But it looks really nice out there, but it's still raining. So tomorrow is supposed to be a good day. It's supposed to be a better day. So hopefully it is. And we only have 5K tomorrow, which is not bad at all. Yeah, so I'm excited.
We're getting hit by a lot of rain. We'll see how long this tent lasts. I haven't put any waterproofing on it since I got it, so we might be in for some trouble.
Good morning, world. Really cloudy out. This guy's tangled up. It was thunderstorms, it was pouring, it was raining. Like, dang. We didn't wet through. So, we did good. But, I'm gonna go grab the food bag. And after that, we might have some breakfast. Look at the view. Was our food taken? It doesn't seem like it. Yeah. Let's go. Alrighty, so all I gotta do is just pack up all this stuff. But I got the floor hanging up over there with my jacket, his rain jacket, his harness. All this stuff just has to go. Right now I'm just gonna enjoy some breakfast. I'm gonna have some oatmeal and finish the rice that I didn't finish yesterday. So hopefully we'll have some calories in for this 5K, 6K heading back to Maple Lake. It's gonna be fun. This time I'm gonna load us up with some water so that we're not gonna die. But it's gonna be nice and sunny later today. Right now the weather is a little cloudy, but we've had some blue skies peek here and there. So he's ready, he's excited. And yeah, no bears. No bears got our food, so we're set. We're lucky. And now it's time to enjoy. All these pine needles, they just add extra seasoning. Delicious. I lost my other water filter, so this is how I'm filling it up. This one's, the flow is so slow. I wish I had my newer one, but I don't know where it went. Alrighty, so we're all packed up. I think we're all ready to go. I think I have everything I need. Don't think we forgot anything hanging off the trees. No. So yeah, all the bags all packed, the dog's ready to go, and so am I. Little water break. Well, we made it to Maple Leaf Lake. Let's go. We're gonna go find our campsite. We're number 4. Stay. Let's go. Made it to our site. Our site is huge. But yeah, we got a nice, I guess this is where people are camping out here. Yeah, we'll camp right here. This is our spot right here. But damn, very nice. Very nice lake. It's so funny, you can see where I stayed and where my dog stayed. Very different contrasting spots in this tent. Hey, buddy. Ain't that right? So today's special meal is astronaut ice cream sandwich. It's a Neapolitan ice cream. And it's like strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate, I'm assuming. So, yeah, let's open her up. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Just like an ice cream sandwich. Wow. Is it all wrapped up like that? Okay, let's try it. It's actually not bad. It honestly is just like a cookie. Yeah. It would be better if it was cold though. But yeah. It is what it is. Rating 7 out of 10. Yeah. Could be softer. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know how you would like I know there's like chocolate fudge or something and you would just put cold water in and then it turns into fudge. But I don't know how you would do it for something like this. But yeah, it's pretty good. But 7 out of 10. That dang chipmunk was trying to steal my dog's food. So I had to put it in the bag. No stealing for you, buddy. He's busy sleeping. Ah. What do you want? Get out of here. Once you feed wildlife, they'll come back. So someone's been feeding this guy. There's a snake. And I lost the snake. Don't worry what. I don't want to step on it or something. I got really hungry and I made some noodles. And I also washed my face. So I'm assuming like the last videos, like my face was disgusting, covered in dirt. Now it's cleaner. And yeah. Noodles time. Had some Ichiban chicken noodles. We're just chilling, watching a movie, enjoying the day. Kind of burnt my arm by touching the that. And he's chilling in there. So yeah, about to enjoy this and watch a movie. There we go. There's our fire. Fire burning on the dance floor. Now we gotta get something to catch it. Maybe another piece of... Hold on. I gotta stop talking. Dial. Get dialed. Frick, I messed it up. Gosh darn it. Messed it up again. Holy cow. Just because I don't have the proper equipment on me at a moment's notice. So this time I do. First rule of making fires. Have all your equipment ready at a moment's notice. Wait, I messed up. I messed up. The chipmunks are laughing at me. Oh man, it's not looking good. Come on. There we go. Need something that'll catch fire. Will this catch fire? Something that'll spread the flame. There we go. Did I blow it? Hold on. Alrighty, we got the start of the fire going, so I think we'll take it on. It should be easy, smooth sailing from here. We'll see. He's already out there somewhere. And it's 6 a.m. so we're gonna get ready to go. I gotta pack all this stuff because we are on a strict timeline to get out of here. While he's grabbing his energy for the day, I'm packing up all our stuff. Then I'm gonna have some oatmeal for breakfast, and then we're gonna get out of here. We have around 4 kilometers left, but it should probably take us an hour or something. Should be fairly flat. Then I think we got like 2 stream crossings or something, if I can remember. But yeah, should be smooth sailing. Sky's nice and clear. Last night the stars were nice and bright. I'll pop up some pictures right here. And kablamo. You wanna know what's crazy? I put my pot to the side over there for like 5 seconds, and there's already like bits and pieces of dirt already in there. Like, how'd that happen? Come on. So we're making some oatmeal now. He's all packed. I'm just gonna eat and then we're gonna go. All packed up, and now we are headed out of here. We're going back to the car. It's gonna be around a 4-kilometer walk. Should be smooth sailing. Shame on them. Goodbye, Maple Lake. One thing I've noticed about hiking, oh, you just saw it now. One thing I noticed about hiking in the morning, and when you're like a little bit taller than average, is that you're like the first person to walk into all the spider webs that were made last night. It's kind of like annoying. I probably walked into like 5 or 6 now. Jeez Louise. In 2 kilometers, I walked into 5 or 6 spider webs. This guy's probably dodged them all, but he's been stepping on all the disgusting mud. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that? What's that? I think that was a chipmunk or something.
Kilometer 2, pace 15 minutes, 52 seconds.
15-minute kilometer. Not too bad, we got 2 more. I'm trying to get there before 9. This is our first sign of civilization. Proper cut trail. Come on, let's go. Wow, this is so fun. Wow. Yeah, all these spider webs I'm walking through. It's amazing! And before you know it, we're at the fork. Can you confirm that it is multi-day? They not like us, that's new. That's definitely new. Alright. Look how nice this trail is. Nice and wide. So I'm just gonna conclude it here. Just wanna thank you guys for watching. that was a fun hike. We went through some streams, went through the thunderstorms, the rain, pouring rain, slippery rocks, slippery mud, mosquitoes, flies. But surprisingly, it wasn't that crazy. There wasn't that many mosquitoes, and there weren't any black flies. Well, there were, but they weren't biting. So that was nice. He survived, he did it. This is probably his longest hike. This is around 25K round trip, and he did great. And make sure you subscribe, and make sure you watch the other Algonquin video that I posted probably around 2 years ago. We went up from Rain Lake, so that's like the northern part of the loop, I guess, and we're doing the southern part, which is the west gate. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Casper, look here, say bye. Look at that, we made it. The sun was rising. Honestly, that was a fun hike. Come on, buddy, let's go check. Come on. I left my trekking poles near the washroom. Whoa, this bitch is shaky. I left my trekking poles near the washroom on the first day. That's why I don't have any poles. So let's go see if my poles are still there. Come on, buddy. Let's go see. Come on, buddy. Come on. Are they still there? Yes, they're still there. Amazing. Nobody bothered to take them. Oh, what a nice community. Great, I got my poles back. Let's go! Let's go! All right, that ends the hike on a good day. Yes.